Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So guys, to start off this video, I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever watched a video tutorial, let's say in a YouTube or in another platform that shows you how to create the table from this data only using the Microsoft Word, and it creates the table instantaneously. And also it usually suggests you to do this combination of ALT and T-I in your keyboard. So here I will show you how to create this table, and if it doesn't work for you, so don't worry guys, because here we will reveal how and why it doesn't work for some people. So let's get into it. So let's say I would like to do this combination of Alt and TI here. The first step I will do is drag this data first. Then I will give the combination or push the button in my keyboard of Alt and TI. There you go. As you can see here, I was hoping that this table will also create the three columns of name, nationality, and score. But turns out it only creates you one column, this one whole column, and also several rows. Why it can be happen? So don't worry guys, I'll show you and reveal why it happened. So if we go back to the original data here, that there is not table in it, then you can going to the insert here and go to the table and the convert or text to table. I will drag this data, go to the insert table and convert text to table. So this is the option here. As you can see, for the table size section, the number of column is only 1 over here. So since we would like to create 3 columns, such as for this column of name, nationality, and score, then we will create this to become 3. And you can just let it the auto fit behavior to become auto. And this is the important thing guys. So as you can see here, the table can be created the column if this data being separated by the underline. But as you can see here, the data is only separated by the strip. So the first thing you will do, or the thing that you need to do is click this other. Then you can change it to become the strip such as this data, and you can just click OK. There you go. This table can be made instantaneously in your Microsoft Word. So it is depends on the signs that separated the every data over here. If it divided or separated by the column, by the paragraph, then as you can see in the previous demo, that the data only shows you one column and a lot of rows because it was separated by the paragraph. But since we changed the separator from the underline to become these strips, then it will create you the 3 columns and several rows here. That's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try it by yourself, and please let us know if these tips and tricks also work for you. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.